You've probably heard the phrase elephants never forget. But is it really true? Turns out, elephants have some of the best memories in the animal kingdom. Their massive brains help them remember water sources, migration routes, and even other elephants for decades. Scientists have found that elephants can recognize old friends and family members even after years apart. They even mourn their dead, showing signs of deep emotional intelligence. So, do elephants actually have the best memory in the animal world? Subscribe to Animal World for more mind-blowing animal facts.